We're doing it on Omega. Episode 396, part 1. DRYTRON versus MADOLCHE. Here we go. I lose both. Jesus. He's gonna shuffle both of them back. Duster. Promenade. Wow. Hey, wow. Just gonna set another one there. What? Just debating on going this one. Gonna go for Duelist and then attack directly. Get Zeus. Oh my god, Punko wins. Part 2. Is there a way? Safe mode, delay chain. What does delay chain mean? Incognito. Oh, it means you like block your name and stuff. Safe mode. What the heck is safe mode? Delay chain. Maybe that one. We should have a show the card in replay. Do we have that? Background. Sharing. No, we should have that. That would be cool. Show their hand in replay. What is delay chain? I don't know. What does that mean? Is that delay chain? Let's take it off. I don't really see any difference here. What does that mean? I think the chain is slowed down. Oh my god. Flawless victory. Perfect. We should be able to see the cards in replay. Cards in hand. Okay, let's see the deck. Oh, he does have a deck. 396. 396, okay. Check out the rank. 1184. 1164. Check out the deck. 396. I gotta delete all these decks. 396. Here we go. He has a 41 card deck. Ooh, the new crossout. Triple Nibiru in the main. 1 Ash. $2.59, still a $2.59. Comment, share, like if you saw this, I'd be for like it. See you guys.